Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we're going to make a pudding that is wonderfully creamy and rich, layered with crushed biscuits and strawberries. Start by whisking together 1 liter of milk, 2.5 tablespoons of starch, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg yolk, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Bring to a boil and cook, stirring constantly over medium heat until mixture thickens. Once cooked, pour into a large bowl. Cover with a cling film that is directly in contact with the pudding. This will help prevent the skin from forming while it cools. After letting the pudding cool, beat for a few minutes to smooth it out. Meanwhile, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder and 200 ml of heavy cream. Crush 200 grams of biscuits and half a cup of hazelnuts up into fine breadcrumbs. You can use your blender or food processor. You can put them in a plastic bag and bash with a rolling pin as well. Put the biscuit mixture into the bottom of each serving glass and push down with the back of the spoon to flatten. Spoon in the pudding on top of the biscuit base evenly. Then layer up the serving glasses with more biscuits, strawberries, and pudding. Repeat till the glass is full. I made 3 biscuit layers and 2 pudding layers, but depending on your glass, you can layer as you wish. Top with strawberries and powdered pistachios. Let it chill in the fridge for at least 2 or 3 hours, then it's ready to serve. You can also use bananas instead, but during the strawberry season, I highly recommend giving this recipe with strawberries a try. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon, please. Thanks for watching.